Amazon have gone to war with AI agents, sending an aggressive legal threat to Perplexity, telling them to stop agents running on their website, Amazon. You've seen ChatGPT Atlas. I use Comet. These agents, they go off and browse the web, do things for you. It's your own personal assistant. It's your own personal assistant going out onto the web. Amazon have sent a legal threat to Perplexity, telling them to stop. Received a legal threat from Amazon demanding we prohibit Comet users from using their AI assistants on Amazon. Now, I wonder if ChatGPT Atlas and Opera Neon and Dia have all received the same threat, but it's to stop using on Amazon. Why do you think this is, Kavaza? Why do you reckon?
When you say Amazon, do you mean Amazon.com as the shop?
Amazon.com, shopping. Why do you think that they want them to stop? I don't want to reveal it.
I just think because they are evil, they probably have their own version of Comet, something similar, and they want users to use that, and they don't want any competition. That would be my first guess.
What would be your second guess?
Second guess, probably, I don't know, server cost or something like this. Would it cause way more search and using their essentially services? That would be my second.
What's the biggest money earner on the internet?
AWS, isn't it like money earner?
No. What on the web? What's the biggest
ads?
Ads.
Oh, ads. Oh,
because if you've got an agent running off and doing these tasks, they're not there to advertise to you. They're not there to upsell you. They're not there to manipulate your buying behavior or habits. And this is why they don't want them working on specifically Amazon.com.
They're still evil.
Well, yeah, exactly, right? There's no two bones about it. They're more interested in serving you ads, sponsored results, and influence your purchasing decisions with upsells and confusing offers. If you've got an agent doing it, you haven't got to worry about that. Canceling your Prime subscription is difficult or confusing, because an agent will go and do it, and it might take them 2 hours to do because that's how long these agents take nowadays. But it will still get done, and you can just focus on what matters. They will earn less money through agents. Now, I'm not sure how. I mean, I would like to see the actual letter, but I wonder. They obviously won't have spun that angle. This is something that Comet or Perplexity have inferred, but it's just interesting, and I hate this. I hate this just capitalist greed with such passion that we can't just give someone an authentic experience by giving them something that they actually need or want. It's like, it's right. Your technology is rubbish, Amazon, to be fair, because I'll just do a search on something that you clearly just need once, like a kettle or whatever. Here's loads of kettles. You must love kettles, even though you've bought a kettle. They could sort your algorithm out.
Do you know it's kind of like an old joke about Apple and Amazon. Like Apple has proved that design matters to be successful, and Amazon has proved that design doesn't matter to be successful.
Why? What do you mean? Because of
have you seen the design of fucking Amazon.com or AWS?
I see. Sorry, I thought you said Apple.
The whole reason Verso exists as AWS sucks and Amazon.com is trash. It's funny how comically bad it is when it comes to design and how good Apple is. Anyway,
be interesting to see what happens with this whole case. I don't think they'll win because you can't stop anyone doing anything. But let's move on to Mr. Doob. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.